Hello viewers, welcome to mathematics lesson. Today we'll be looking at quadratic graph of a quadratic equation, components or steps for drawing any graph including quadratic equation graph. 1. The values generated using the equation and the range of values. 2. The axis, of course the x and y axis. 3. The scales to space your values equally. 4. The points where the two values meet. And 5. The line, of course, is a smooth curve. Assuming we are given this quadratic equation, y equals to x squared minus 2x minus 8. For the range of values of x from minus 3 to 5. And the scale giving us 1 cm representing 2 units. Of course, you start by writing the equation out, y equals to x squared minus 2x minus 8. And then draw your table of values. 2 rows, the first one for x and the second one for y. On the first one, which is for x, you write the values of x from minus 3 to 5. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then use each of the values, substitute in the equation, and get the corresponding values of y. For instance, when x is minus 3, here, use your calculator, minus 3 squared minus 2x minus 8. That is minus 3 squared minus 2 times minus 3 minus 8, and that will give you 7. When x is minus 1, minus 1 squared minus 2 times minus 1 minus 8, and that will give you minus 5. When it is 1, 1 squared minus 2 times 1 minus 8, and that will be minus 8. 4 squared minus 2 times 4 minus 8, and that will give you 0. Same thing applies to the other ones. Those are the values generated using the equation and the range of values. Now, we go to the axis. We'll spread our graph paper, draw the axis. The vertical ones are the y-axis, while the horizontal are the x. In the horizontal, they are equally spaced, and all the values of x reflect. But in y, not all the values will reflect because some of them will be silent. Now, the points. You locate the points. You take the value of x and its corresponding value of y and locate the point. Where the two values meet is the point. For instance, minus 3 meets y. X minus 3 meets y at 7 here. That is a point. Minus 1 and minus 5. This is minus 1, minus 5 is here. They meet at this point. 1 and minus 9. 1 and minus 9. Of course, minus 9 is between minus 7 and minus 8 and minus 10. They meet here. Then 3 and minus 5. 3 of x meets minus 5 of y here. This minus 5, they meet here. So on and so forth up to 5 and 7. This is 5 meet 7 here. So that is how you locate the point. Then the last step is drawing a very smooth curve. Very smooth curve. Here you should be very, very careful when you are drawing. Your line must pass through all the points located. From here, comes down, and make sure it curves well here up to the last point. So that is how you draw a graph of quadratic equation. Take note of the values, take note of the axis, take note of the scale, they are equally spaced, the values written there. Take note of the points, location of the points, and also take note of the curve, the line itself. So that is how you answer draw a graph of quadratic equation. Now, you may be required to use your graph to answer some questions. But remember, they may give you the value of x to find the value of y, or giving the value of y to find the value of x. For instance, if y is given as, say, 5, what is x? You now come here and look for y equals to 5. This is where it is. Trace it to the curve and trace it to this side. Draw a line there through that 5. You see we'll meet here and meet here. You now read the value of x, read the value of x. So it has two values. What about if the value of x is given? Maybe x is equal to 2.5, that is 2.5. What is the value of y? Of course, you come here and look for 2.5. This is 2.5. If you go here, you will not meet the curve, but you come down. When you come down, you meet the curve here, then you read the value of y. So that is how you use your graph to find any values given to find the other one. Thank you very much for listening. Let's do it again next time.